Here you can see I have written some numbers and I have circled them. Yes, let's find out the factors of these numbers. Okay, so factor of 10 means the numbers who all can divide 10. So 1, 2, 5 and 10. There is only one number who can divide 1, that is number itself. 1 can divide 2 and 2 can divide 2. 1 can divide 3 and number itself can divide 3. 1 can divide 4, 2 can divide 4 and 4 can divide 4. Here 1 can divide 5 and only 5 can divide 5. So we see some numbers have many factors. Yes, some numbers have 4 factors, some numbers have 3 factors and some numbers have only 2 factors, and there is a number which has only one factor, that is number itself. Okay, so on the basis of number of factors we can again classify numbers. Like for example, if a number has only 2 factors, that is number 1 and number itself, then it is known as a prime number. So 2 is a prime number? Yes. 3 is a prime number? Yes. 4 is a prime number? Sorry, 5 is a prime number? Yes. 1 is a prime number? No, it doesn't have 2 factors. 10 is a prime number? No, it has more than 2 factors. 4 is a prime number? No, again it has more than 2 factors. This concept of prime numbers we've done last year also. This is just a revision. Yes. So, what is a prime number? A prime number is a number which has only 2 factors, that is number 1 and number itself. Then what about the numbers which have more than 2 factors? They are not prime numbers. They are composite numbers. They are composite numbers. So 10 is a composite number. 4 is a composite number. Okay. Now what is the smallest prime number? What is the smallest prime number? 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay. And what is the smallest composite number? 4. Okay, so we've spoken about prime number, we've spoken about composite number, we've spoken about smallest prime number, we've spoken about smallest composite number, we've spoken about smallest even prime number. Yes. What about 1? 1 is a factor of itself. Yes. And it has only one factor, that is itself. So it is neither prime nor composite. 1 is a unique number. 1 is a unique number. So there are 3 definitions: composite numbers, prime numbers, unique numbers. Okay, we are going to write it now. Children, just now I observed that I have left one question. Question number 4 in exercise 3.1. So first we will do that, then we will write the definitions. So question number 4 says that write all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So let's write 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, 9 11s are 99, 9 12s are 108. So we have to write only up to 100. That means यहाँ तक, यहाँ से नहीं लिखना है, Got it? So what is your answer? So answer. You will write 9, 18 and you will write all till 99. Clear? So this completes your question number 4 of exercise 3.1. Here you can see prime number has only two factors, that is number 1 and itself. Example, you can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Composite number has more than two factors, for example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. 9 is a composite number. Why? Because 9 is also divisible by 3. So it has more than two factors. These are the three important notes. Note 1. One is neither prime nor composite. It is a unique number. Second one, 2 is the smallest prime number, which is even. It is the only even number which is prime. Then every prime number except 2 is odd. That is, all the prime numbers except 2 are odd. That means all the even numbers except 2 are composite. Now, can you observe this pattern? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Can you tell me what will be the next number? And so on. Yes. So what are these? These are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. So these are all what? Multiples of 2. Okay. And these multiples of 2 are also known as even numbers. So what are even numbers? All the multiples 2 and all the means the 2 is a multiple of itself. So all the multiples of 2 are also known as even numbers. Now the numbers which are not the multiples of 2, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on. They are known as what? They are known as odd numbers, which are not the multiples of 2. Okay, I don't have place here, so I have written here, which are not the multiples of 2. So this is the definition of even numbers and this is the definition of odd numbers. So you can write here even numbers and odd numbers. This completes the definition of odd and even number, prime and composite number. Now we'll go ahead